And this is how it works. I spot something. I look for traffic around me. I reach down. I grab whatever it is. I head back out on the road. Found another one. There was so much noise before I couldn't talk to the camera, but this turned out to be an 8mm deep 3/8, not the infamous 10mm that gets lost everywhere. But I gotta tell you, 8mm on a 3/8 drive, isn't that kind of the border of when overkill starts? I get a kick out of half-inch drive tools that are like 10mm half-inch drive. But I guess you gotta use them if you lose all your 10s. But here's what we got today. Now this is a weekday, it's a Friday. And this is made by New Britain Tool. There it is, New Britain. And New Britain Tool has started to become the tool that I look for at yard sales, estate sales. I built a house in New Britain. A lot of people would say I built a house, but I framed it. Framed a couple, so kind of has a little memory, a good vibe for me. This is a 3/4 to 1/2 inch adapter that came with it, and yeah, let me show you the adapter. I need an adapter puncher outer thing first. Let's do this. Ready? Hold on now. So this is the adapter, and it has very little wear on it. Not that that matters, but it's kind of cool. The reason I have these is electric water heaters have elements. They use 1.5 inches, and about 1.5 years ago I got one of these sockets. I looked around for it, and I don't really need a second one until I thought, you know, why not have 2 of them in 2 different locations? I work in more than 2 locations, so I can just have this set up with a wrench on it and it'll be perfect. And today was 35% off day. Well, it was a funny story though. There was a tray full of tools, and in there, you know those little Stanley punches? They're not much longer than this, a nail set. It's actually what it's called. They were marked with these orange stickers, $25.85. And then there was another old little chisel, same thing, $25.85. And I thought, that's got to be a mistake. There's volunteers that work in these stores, and somebody wasn't paying attention, and they were clicking away. So I grabbed a handful, took them up to Miss Petite, and I showed her, and I said, hey, I think this is a mistake. Not sure. And she agreed that was an error. Like, that stuff is $1 maybe, you know. Anyway, I did tell her that I saw this thing there, and I said, I didn't scratch this off, someone else did, but this is a brand name. And she said, $1.50. And sure enough, it was a good day. I was happy to take that. I have a specific use for this, and maybe someone can help me make an end for it. I want you all to have a wonderful 4th of July weekend. You know, when I look at this, I see there's no ends on it. They're kind of like my lame videos. There's no end in sight.